Good evening. Welcome to our smart city. This is made by us, the grade 8 standard.
A smart city is a modern city that uses technology, innovation, and sustainable ideas to improve the quality of life of its citizens. In our project, we aim to show how proper planning, smart systems such as effective transportation, renewable resources, waste management, and digital communications can make our cities clean, suitable, and make our lives easier. Through this project, we can show you how future cities can be both advanced and environmentally responsible.
Smart cities help us create better living conditions, reduce environmental problems, and support sustainable development for our future plan.
A smart city is a need for today and a hope for tomorrow. Through this project, we can learn how responsibility and technology together can build a smarter, greener, and a cleaner world. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Manya Matkar. I'm the head girl of the school. Today we have a model which shows a melting of glaciers due to greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect basically is when gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and etc. Trap the sun's heat from going again to the space, which is actually good as it keeps the earth warm. But as in the days are growing, the heat is also growing. Because of the heat rising, the glaciers they tend to melt. And before the glaciers used to melt and they again used to get freeze. But now, due to the heat rising, the glaciers just melt and then the water goes into the sea, which makes the sea level rise in such a way that it creates floods. And as floods are created in many places, places such as Punjab, recently we had a flood over there. So many places and many houses get broken down, and there is lot of destruction happening. Now, as we say that water level is going down and we need more of water, but this is not how we can save water. If this happens, there will be lots of havoc happening. And if we have such kind of water and less people, what are we going to do of the water? Thank you.
Morning, everyone. Look at this project. It might just be plastic, paint, and other small details, but it represents one of the most critical challenges faced by our planet: water pollution. Water is life. It covers one of the most 70% of our world. Our project model serves as a visual guide to explore the causes and effects of water pollution. Water pollution isn't caused by one single source but by a combination of human activities. First, industrial discharge. Factories often release untreated or partially treated chemical waste, toxic sludge, and directly into rivers and lakes. This is one of the most poisonous type of pollution. Second, agriculture runoff. This section of our model shows fields. When it rains, fertilizers, pesticides, and animal waste, also known as manure, is washed away into nearby water bodies. The excess nutrients like the nitrates and phosphates cause destructive algae blooms. Hello, I'm Sia. You've seen how the water gets dirty, but the damage doesn't stop there. Sewage and wastewater. In many areas, untreated or inadequately treated domestic sewage, which contains pathogens and organic matter, is dumped into our waters. Plastic and solid waste. We see litter like plastic, bottles, and other trash everywhere. This solid waste not only clogs waterways but slowly breaks down into dangerous microplastics, which are now found virtually in every part of the world. Effects. The consequences of neglect. The consequences of this pollution are devastating and far-reaching. Impact on human health. Contaminated water is a major carrier of diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dysentery. Millions of people, especially children, fall sick or die due to consuming polluted water.
And I am Trisha. You have seen chemicals from the farms and factories, but story doesn't end there. Some of the biggest threats of water come directly from our own homes and habits. Ecological damage. The ecosystem pollution destroys aquatic life. Toxicity. Chemical discharge directly kills fish, birds, and other animals. Oxygen depletion. Organic pollution and algal blooms consume vast amounts of oxygen in the water, leading to what we call dead zones where no life can survive. Economic impact. Cleaning polluted water is incredibly expensive. Furthermore, pollution hurts industries like fishing and tourism, damaging local economies. Everything we have shown you today, wasn't it scary? Hi, I am Ritvi. It's not too late, but the damage is real. But we have the solution. Preventing water pollution is a combination of mindful habits at homes and surrounding communities wide efforts. So, how can we contribute to cleaner water? Some steps are: step number 1, dispose of chemicals safely. Step number 2, do not drain oil or grease. Instead, collect them into the jar and throw it away in the trash bin. Thank you.
Water is life, but only if we protect it.
Our model is warning but also hope if we change our actions today. We
Can keep our blue planet blue for generations to come. Thank you.